Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can find your transaction history on Roblox. So, before starting, make sure that you're logged into the correct Roblox account, and this will help you to review your Robux spending, and gift transactions, and so on. So, after you open your Roblox account, what you will have to do is you will click the Robux icon, which is right here, and then go ahead and click My Transaction. And then now you can basically just look for your summary, your commissions, your currency purchases, and a lot of things. So yeah, actually, if you want to see the sales of good, you, like who bought your stuffs, then you can just go to sales of goods. And if you want to see your recent purchases or all of the purchases that you've done in the past, you will just have to click purchases. And for your premium stipends, these are basically the Robux that you've gotten from your premium. And for community payouts, basically what you've given to other people and from your group. And for creator rewards, daily engagement, it's for the premium it's for the game pass basically. And for the currency purchases, it's the it's the Robux that you've bought from Roblox. So yeah, those are basically the transactions that you've done, and you can just see it here. And the summary, these are basically just the summary of all of this. So yeah, that's basically all of it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.